of it, it seems like it's a big blow for the NDA, as Nitish Kumar has indicated that he will support any government that will give special status to Bihar. We do know that he is one of the most important alliance partner for the NDA, and with this particular comment, it comes as a huge setback. At least sentimentally, it's a setback for the NDA. Jayant, I'll start with you. Special status for Bihar is not something very difficult to accommodate for any party that forms a government at the center, but the thing to watch out for is that he has been such a close, alliance partner of the NDA. He's been very committed, not responded to any of the overtures that Congress leaders have sent out in recent time. And one day before 16th of May, he's sort of now hinting out, to other players as well.
Harishri, Nitish Kumar is known for the development work that he has done in Bihar. And looking at the assessment that the parties have done, whether it's the UPA constituents, the Congress, the BJP, or even the Third Front, he has been being wooed by even the Third Front. So the assessment that is being done by these main three groups or the allies, they want Nitish Kumar with them. And at this point of time, when he is there and he is well settled, he is looking for a better mandate this time. He is being wooed, and he knows that he has to continue his job for Bihar. And that is the reason today he has again reiterated. It is not only about Bihar being given special status. It is about getting the grant from the center, doing development work. In fact, last year, Nitish was faced with the problem of the floods, mainly in North Bihar. At that point of time also, he had demanded more than 1,000 crores for relief work. We saw that there was a controversy in which the Prime Minister himself called up Nitish. And which is very remarkable is that just a day after he called him not a secular leader, after he shook hands with Narendra Modi. So he is a person who will be very important, and he will be there till the 16th when the final mandate is out, that is tomorrow. In fact, we know that from the Third Front, senior Politburo member Sitaram Yechuri spoke to him, and the cat was out of the bag by taken out of the bag by none other than the West Bengal Chief Minister Buddhadev Bhattacharjee. When he said right after the third phase of polling, he said that yes, we are in touch with Nitish Kumar. He can be a possible ally of the Third Front. So we see that he is being wooed by all, but at this point of time, Nitish Kumar is concerned about his projects in Bihar only. Harishri?
Absolutely. Jayant, I'll come back to you for more details, but in the meantime, it is this particular comment that's actually set the entire political circles abuzz on, is Nitish Kumar now completely keeping all his options open?
कल रिजल्ट आएंगे, कौन सरकार बनाएगा, इस पर तो टेलीविजन चैनल्स में कौन बनेगा प्रधानमंत्री, कौन बनाएगा प्रधानमंत्री, वो तो चल रहा है। जैसे लोग सीरियल के साथ चिपके रहते हैं, उसी तरह से आजकल लोग चिपके हुए हैं। मैं भी टेलीविजन देख नहीं पाता था, लेकिन मेरे कमरे में भी टेलीविजन लगा दिया गया है ताकि अगर इच्छा हो तो देख लें। तो अभी चल रहा है वो, इसलिए किसी को मालूम नहीं है कल रिजल्ट क्या होंगे और क्या है। कि दिल्ली की सरकार जो भी बने और जो भी बिहार से जीते, वो इस मुद्दे को पकड़ कर कहेगा कि हमारे समर्थन की बुनियाद यही होगी, हमारा आधार यही होगा। बिहार को स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट आप देते हैं या नहीं देते?